So I'm here in Grand Mall early in the morning. So I'm going to Collingwood, guys, for a taping. So we have filmed this morning together with my classmates on caregiver program or project on BSN. So guys, let's going to Collingwood. So and we're in entrance, so I don't know where the house of my classmates is, but I find now because I don't know where. So we meet on time and time. So I'm trying my best to find the Collingwood. I don't know where. If I found now. So while I'm walking here, so going there and Collingwood, so I'm just making a video for my content. So let's go, guys. Collingwood. Oh, I saw the signage. So, oh, it's a Collingwood. So now I found now. Oh, so it's easy to find. Brentwood. So it's not the one, so the other one. So I will go to the Collingwood. Okay. You see, guys, it's nice place. So now I found the house of my classmates because I found the Collingwood signage now. That is, guys. Oh my gosh, has a dog. I'm so scared. That one, Collingwood. Excuse me. Ay, tamagi. Adere. Excuse me, tagi. Ato kayo lang, Miss Nida, Santiago. Mga kuan ni tiping. Okay. So there, guys, I'm inside now. So first do, so I found the house of my classmates. So I'm already inside now. Okay, so just finding. So I want to walk because I want to making a video around. Yeah. So I saw you the Collingwood. Collingwood. But I don't know where is the house of Miss Nida. So now I'm still finding. So guys, so I will continue my video, or I'm just continue making a video because I need to communicate our conversation of my classmates of where is where is their home. So okay, guys, so see you and bye bye.